I've been stuck on your memory.
Hey guys, how are you? So today we are going to Naivasha and it's such a beautiful day, you guys. Just see. Woo! And I will not leave you guys behind.
Made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges.
I don't take when guys are like, oh, we can see your video. Hey guys, so right now we're at Viewpoint. Here at this place you normally see the Mount Longonot. It's the place where it's the highest place as you go to Naivasha. So most of the people stop here just to get a view of Mount Longonot and this surrounding landscape, as you guys can see. So it's such a cool area, by the way. And today I've never passed here when it's so misty today, so like you can see the vegetation or the areas just down here. And there are curio shops around, you can get something, the Masai shukas and everything. So yeah, I just can't wait to reach there. Can't wait to reach there. Okay, so this is my OOTD, show them from down.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to.
Okay.
I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't focus.
Hey, power.
Been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. On my mind, so say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about me. You know everything.
It's a nice place. Like you can see the lake there. Woo! Shit. Look at this. Woo! Can someone walk here at night? I will find some wild animals. I think, oh yeah, that's our cottage there. Wow. here. There's this corridor here. There's that room, and there's also this room. So everything here is wood. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've already changed to a t-shirt. I've just worn a t-shirt and the shorts that I had. So right now we want to go to the restaurant area and at least have something. I was so hungry before we came here. Then after we came, the hunger went. I think it's because of the excitement and everything. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I am in Kongoni Lodge. It's found in Naivasha. This place is so nice. Apart from it being so far from Naivasha, you guys, let me just prepare you. If you're planning to come to Kongoni Lodge, it's so far. I mean, it's just so far, so just prepare yourself. So just the time, let's go. So the bar is just next to the pool, which is a good thing. I love when I have my drinks just next to the pool, and I'm sure all of you also love it. Oh, wow, food smells nice. Let's follow. And let me not lie to you guys. Ooh, this food here, so yummy. I love it. I think I might go and talk to the chef and ask her if it's her or him and ask him how he prepares such food, man. I've never had such fries anywhere else, just here. Like, it's crunchy and also it's soft. It's such a long time since I have such evenings and I love it. And the place is so beautiful. These are the views. That's the lake there. You think as if it's far, but it's not that far. You're seeing it's just near. I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll show you guys around. And also tomorrow I'm gonna have a dip in the pool, which is just near the restaurant. So yeah, stick with me guys, stick with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go down here and hit that subscribe button, any subscribe button that you're seeing, either in the video or down there. So give this video a thumbs up. Bye. Look at this. What are they called? Hey guys, I'm so happy for this day. Good morning. I'm going to have breakfast and I've worn yellow. Yellow, it's a bright and happy color. Let's go. for them to prepare the omelette. Actually, what they do, they prepare the omelette when you're watching, which is a nice thing because like you'll get a very hot and very fresh thing, very fresh food. And so far I just like the food here. So we are having breakfast, which is buffet. Then yeah, I'll show you guys. So I'm about to take cereal first before I do anything. What we have here, we have the cornflakes and this corn. And yeah, so I'm not a Weetabix fan. So like I'll take the cornflakes. This is my OOTD today. I have one. Oh, I'm from running. So guys, this is my OOTD today. I have worn wide-legged pants, my yellow, and I feel that this yellow matches well with these pants. And you guys, I'm just from having breakfast, but I won't stay with this attire the whole day because we're going for cycling. So when you go for cycling, I'll change into another attire. Hey guys, so right now we are at we are about to go and take the bikes. I just want to show you where I want to take some pics here and also show you, I also want to show you my OOTD. So I'll be wearing this rubber shoes, as you guys can see. I just have my rubber shoes and a short and a t-shirt and of course my shades because it's so sunny. It's like coast, but it's not coast, it's like Naivasha. Big fight. Keep watching the video because we're about to go for some cycling, and also later we are going for swimming at the pool, which is so nice. It doesn't have a lot of people and it's beautiful. There are beautiful views. I can't wait for this. Bon voyage. My bicycle is okay, so yeah, let's begin the ride. Woohoo. I decided to split this vlog into two parts, so check out my next vlog. As we cycled, we came across a very beautiful place and we decided to try out what's there. So check out my next vlog to find out which place is that. Plus I will also be swimming and show you the beautiful pool of the hotel, and it's gonna be it has an epic view and it's just a nice green pool. Why am I even saying this? You guys check out, subscribe. See you, bye.